Hi guys, this is Irfan from ThriveServe. In this tutorial, we will print Fibonacci series. First, go to my channel and subscribe if you do not have subscribed. Let's move to the work. This is Fibonacci series in front of you on the screen. So Fibonacci series in Fibonacci series, the first number is 0 and the second number is 1, and the next successive number are the sum of previous two numbers. Suppose for this third number, this is the sum of these two number, and this is the sum of this previous two, and this number is the sum of this previous two. I mean 1 plus 1 2 is 3, and 3 5 when we will add 3 and 5, then it will produce 8. That is the next successive number, and it will move so on till the infinity, till the number as you want to print, till 1000, lakh, and any number you can print. So this is the Fibonacci series, and I have shared the pattern it follow. So let's move to the editor and check it. I have created a project and created class. If you have not created, so go to the file, new, select Java project and create a Java project, and go to the src folder in the project, select new and create a class and name the class any name as you want, and select a create a main method or check main method as you are creating the class in the editor. So now take the input by user, as I have printed till the 10 number. If you wish, you can print till the 100, till 50, till 200, till 1000. So I am not hard coding the number, I am not hard coding the series. I am making it flexible as user want, as much he can print. So that's why I am taking taking input by user. For taking input by user, we will use a scanner class, object of a scanner class. Object of a scanner class give us facility to take the input by user using console. Num equals to sc dot next int. Now close the scanner. Now we have got our number till that times we want to print our series. Now this is the repetitive work, so we need a loop. So we will use here for loop. For int I equals to 0, I less than num I plus plus. Here we will use three variable. Here we will use three variable for printing this series. Int a equals to 0, b equals to 1, sorry 0, and c equals to 1. So initial two number are the sum of the initial two number are 0 and 1, and the next all the series are the sum of their previous two numbers. So what we will do, we will assign the value of b inside a and value of c inside b, and at the end we will add the value of a and b and assign inside c. and we will do this repeatedly inside the loop till the series is not completed, and we will get our series. This is the concept. So inside A we will assign the value of B, and inside B we will assign the value of C, and inside C we will assign the value of A plus B. So these three lines will be responsible to provide us the series, and we will print A every time. First time the value of A will be 0. We will assign first, we are entering in the loop first time, we are assigning the value of B inside A and assigning the value of C inside A. So inside B it is 1, inside A it is instead 0 because the value of B is 0 and C is A plus B. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. C is again 1. So we will print A, then 0, it will produce 0. In next time we will print the value of B inside A. We will assign the value of B inside A. Now in the second time we have 1 inside B. So inside A the value of B, that is 1, will be stored. Inside C it is 1 again, that will store inside B, and the addition of these will be inside C. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. The value of C will be 2, and here we will print 1. So 0, 1, and again it will add these two previous, and the loop will run till the number, and we will get our Fibonacci series. So our program is complete. Let's run a Java application. I am entering here 10. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 34. I wanna print it till the 100 times. Say this is our Fibonacci series. Why it is happening? It is, I think, due to out of range. Every database integer have their own range. So I will print till 20. This is due to range issue. Okay, this is running fine, no issue. That's it for now. Thank you, and subscribe my channel.